You found all these out there?
Yep, all of them were found on the course while making it.
Wow, that's cool.
I think the last one they found was actually about 3 years ago. It came up on a tee box.
Take a look here at Arrowhead Golf Club.
A very historical course. Now we're just Philadelphia in a unique area that's got a lot of golf, and we're taking a look at a course that changed its names during building it because of the amount of arrowheads they found on the course. Donald McLean decided to convert his farm that used to sit right at this location into a golf course. However, there's a lot of history here with the Lenape Indians and the arrowheads that were found during the operation and construction of this golf course. So the history of the golf course is interesting. After World War II, Donald McLean decided to move to Texas, where he made a fortune in airplanes and racing. However, he had a love for golf, so he decided to sell everything with his father to build this golf course here. This course is worth every penny of the $17 to walk it.
And online, it's a 4 out of 5 on Google. But I think the course might be a little bit better than that, so I'm glad we were able to highlight this course that has 27 holes and an interesting history behind the blue, the red, and the white course. Now we've neglected to play the red and the white, we only played the blue here. But the history started on the blue course on number 1, 2, and 3. This place is a facility. There's massive buildings. I even kind of ventured around a little bit to take a look at some. It felt like I was in a classroom setting. The history behind this place is very interesting. It's a compound, one would say, of just amazing golf.
Interesting characteristics. There's more rocks than you would think at this facility. Look at this. This is one of those par 4s that's reachable with a driver, 300 yards. But you can see, very demanding when you get up here.
The fairways are a mixture of Kentucky bluegrass and rye, and the putting green surfaces are bent grass. Hats off to the grounds crew keeper who has a degree at the Rutgers University. I think it starts to highlight in this little 9-hole golf course that's not the highlight of this facility. It's the red and the white course. This course was open, so we just went out there and played it. Had the whole place to ourselves, all 2,500 yards. That was built in 1954. Now, number 1, 2, and 3 of the blue course is the original 9.
Found arrowheads on each one of these holes, and I can rest assured that you'll find a lot of broken tees out here. But the price of this course is really what brings me out here. I'll take a look at those prices up here. And overall, it's a great value if you're willing to drive a few minutes outside of Philadelphia.
Arrowhead story is really the reason I pursued this course immediately. I think anything like that where they changed the whole aspect of design around an arrowhead type golf course based on the history they found. I think it's important to adapt even in golf while you're playing. If something feels right, you got to go with it.
So 1 iron here, blind shot, can't see. I think it's right over those trees. Worried about getting rained on? Well, at this facility, at least every couple holes, you'll find a giant awning.
Now, the history behind this course still remains there. It seems to be a family-run business, with John passing away in 2000, but his wife and 3rd generation are still carrying on. Donald and John, high-quality golf course maintenance and just service. When I was there, I thought it was very nice as well. Now you have the 9-hole blue course and the 18-hole red and white course. The blue course stretches 2,505 yards for a par 35. That's the course you're seeing right now. Then there's the 18-hole golf course that's a par 71, stretching 6,002 yards. It has a total of 4 par 5s, 5 par 3s. Definitely a nicer conditioned golf course to the one you're seeing right now. The price, though, is a big difference. This was only $17 to walk 9 holes, and I thought it was a great experience. It felt like a backyard type golf course. I love these.
And these are quote-unquote those hidden gem golf courses. The term gets used pretty loosely even on this channel, but I've never seen an operation like this. We have a blind tee shot on number 8, and the only way to see if anyone's up there, don't put a bell. Stand right here and you can look right up there, and if anyone's on the green. I thought that was a solar panel. It's not. It's a giant mirror that was put on. And just look at this, all hand paint.
Give this course an actual rating. I think it belongs obviously in the 5 range. You know, it's not the best, but I think the facility probably should be a 5.7. I think it's not as nice as I would have liked it to be, but the price justifies that. It's extremely affordable, and anyone that's learning golf, this would be a destination to at least try to learn about the history, about the area, and then kind of get a foundation of golf while you're out there. See right off the bat, there's a full 18-hole facility. I didn't know this until, you know, doing this video, that there was a full 18-hole golf course. I thought I was just sneaking out and somehow having a perfect round with no one around when there was plenty of cars in the parking lot. I thought that was even funny afterwards, and I wanted to make a note of it. It's completely separated is what I'm trying to say. You could feel like you're at a different facility in comparison to the 18-hole golf course.
That's going to do it for this video. Take a look at more videos to come with the Parfessor.